explore why they're so special. First off, kiwi birds can't fly. They have small, useless wings, but their legs are super strong. Their feathers look more like hair, giving them a fuzzy, adorable look. Kiwi birds are nocturnal, meaning they come alive at night. They use their long beaks to forage for insects, worms, and berries, kind of like a nature's vacuum cleaner. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Kiwi birds lay one of the largest eggs compared to their body size of any bird in the world. Imagine laying an egg nearly as big as yourself. So next time you think of New Zealand, remember the amazing, quirky kiwi bird. It's more than just a national symbol, it's a wonder of nature. Stay curious, nature lovers.